Hello everybody. The task here is to check if all the elements of the array are palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome? A palindrome is basically for example, I write a number 111. I check it from left to right, it is 111, but if I read it from right to left, it is 111. So it is a palindrome. But if the number has changed to 113, if I read it from left to right, it is 113, and if I read it from right to left, it is 3111. So this particular number is not a palindrome, right? So we are given a list of numbers. Now in the next line we would make a variable of count palindrome and we give it a value 0. This variable is necessary because it will keep a check of how many palindromes we find in the list of numbers. Then we make a for loop for I in list of numbers. Okay, so basically we have to check if whatever comes in I, is it a palindrome or not. A mistake that most people do is that if I is equal to I colon colon minus 1, I need to tell you that this notation is wrong. This notation, this syntax is basically used for slicing, and for slicing we can only slice either strings or list. We can't slice integers because in I we get integers. 111 is an integer, 222 is an integer, so we need to convert it into a string. Okay, so basically we are to compare it, we convert the integers into string str, and we also convert this integer into a string. Okay, and we if this condition is satisfied, then we increment the count of palindrome by 1. Okay, and if the if condition is not satisfied, we say continue. It goes back to the next iteration. If it goes into else condition, we say continue, it goes back to the next iteration. Okay, now when the for loop is completed, we say if count of palindrome is equal to length of the list of numbers. So what is the length of list of number? Here in this case it is 5. 1 2 3 3 4 and 5. Okay, so if the count of palindrome is equal to the length of list of number, we print all the elements in the list are a palindrome. Otherwise, if the condition is not satisfied, we say not all the elements in the list are a palindrome. When the for loop is also completed, we can also print what is the count of palindrome. We play it. Now as you can see that the count of palindrome here is 5. Okay, and we know that the length of list of number is also 5. So this if condition is satisfied and it says that all the elements in the list are a palindrome. Now if I change the number, for example they here to 113, so now we can see that the count of palindrome is given as 4. So the count of palindrome is 4 and it is not equal to the length of list of number, which here is 5. So this if condition is not satisfied and it goes to the else condition and it prints that not all the elements in the list are a palindrome. I hope this video was interesting to you and I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.